Hello guys, welcome to Kamek channel. My name is Elvis. Today I want to introduce you guys a very popular product recently, which is the Vortex washing machine just by my side. It is a multifunctional washing machine, which is suitable for many different kinds of fruits and vegetables. The machine is mainly composed of two parts, the washing tank and the vibration dehydrator. During the working process, the water in the water tank will form a swirling state. That's why we call it vortex washing machine. Usually the clients will take two sides of it, one to work at the higher position and one to work at the lower position. They combine two sides of vortex washing machine to make it a two-stage washing line to achieve a better washing performance. Now please follow my camera to see more details about it. Thank you very much.